Okay, I'll just show you how to use the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Skoda Fabia. So with your iPhone, here we go, your charging lead. It's not easy to see underneath there, I've got to say, but there you go, that's plugged in. Now plug in to your phone. You'll see the phone's beeped. The system has come up, Apple CarPlay, new device detected. Would you like to connect with Apple CarPlay? Yes, I would connect. We'll see what happens. Allow CarPlay with Skoda while phone is locked. Yes, I want to allow that. And that's it. It's brought up Apple CarPlay on the system. It's mirrored my phone screen, and I can then use anything on here without touching my phone, or, you know, so long as it's plugged in, it'll work fine. You'll see there, those are my last used apps. I think that's Google Maps, iTunes and phone. So from here, you can either say, hey, Siri, and your phone will wake up and you can tell it what to do. Or if you don't want to do that, you've got the voice control button here. If you click the voice control button for a couple of seconds, you see the Siri button comes up there. Dial Barrie Crampton.
Calling Barrie, iPhone.
Have a temporary greeting on. To keep your greeting, press 1.
You'll see there,
to delete it.
That was dialing me. Text Barrie.
What do you want to say to Barrie?
Just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Skoda Fabia.
It says, just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Skoda Fabia. Send it.
Yes, please.
Done.
Now you'll see the system beeped. There's a number 1 in there, so that means I've got one text message, obviously. Now, again, you don't need to touch the screen. You don't need to touch your phone. You don't need to do anything. All you have to do is click this voice activation for a couple of seconds. Read texts.
Barrie sent a new message. Just testing the Apple CarPlay in this 2018 Skoda Fabia. Would you like to reply?
No, thank you.
Those are all your messages.
Even better with the with the navigation system. Take me to Starbucks.
One option I see is Starbucks on Capitol Way. Want to try that one?
Yes, please.
Getting directions to Starbucks.
Now you see it said go on the screen. If you click that, you would go, but you don't even need to click the screen. If you just carry on driving, it will take you there automatically because you've not countermanded the instructions. So that's the navigation system. It is brilliant. What else is there? Play Sweet Caroline.
Here's Sweet Caroline by Neil Diamond.
Where it began.
Of course, you can use the volume switch on the steering control as well. Shuffle music.
Playing all songs from Apple Music.
So, as I say, you don't have to touch the controls, but you've got all the rest of your stuff on here. If you click the boxes at the bottom there, you'll see You can go back to the Skoda system just by clicking that. You've got, here I've got audiobooks. Click on audiobooks, just listening to Bitcoin Widow, which is absolutely unbelievable, true story. Your Amazon Music, Spotify. You can also use WhatsApp, Google Maps, your calendar. No events today, so you know, I mean, it's just, and also you can even set the Apple CarPlay to remind you of stuff when you get in the car, for instance, or when you get home. It'll give you a message, you know, get milk and eggs or call somewhere on your way home. It's a fantastic system, and this little Skoda has got it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.